In this video, I'm going to show you how to erase all of the data on your Samsung phone. Now, this is going to work even if you don't know the password. Now, all you need to do is power on your Samsung phone like this, and once the phone is turned on, you need to grab a USB-C cable and you need to plug one end into the Samsung and the other end into a computer or laptop. Now, don't worry, we don't actually have to do anything on the computer. You just need to make sure it's plugged in and make sure the computer's turned on. Now, if you come back over to your Android, it should say your Android is on charge like this. Now, what we're going to do is come round to the side of the Android and you need to hold down the volume down button and also the power button at the same time. And you're going to continue to hold these buttons down until the screen goes completely black. Now, once the phone's turned off, you can release these two buttons. Now, what we're going to do is press the volume up button and also the power button at the same time. And you're going to hold these two buttons down until eventually the Samsung logo appears. So let's do this together. We're going to hold these two buttons down. As soon as you see the Samsung logo, go and release these two buttons. And then after a few seconds, your phone's going to start in the recovery mode. Now, from here, you can use the volume up and the volume down button to move across this list of options. So we're going to press volume down to come down to wipe data and factory reset. You can then press the power button to go and select this, click on the volume down button to come down, and then click on the power button to factory data reset, and this is going to reset your phone back to its factory settings. So this means all of your data is going to be removed, and it will be like when you first purchased the phone out of the box.